Water on Mars. Entire oceans could be locked up in the red planet's crust, NASA says. Mars may be a lot wetter than previously thought, with new NASA-funded research finding entire ocean's worth of water may be hidden in the planet's crust. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mystery Truth. Mars is dead, plain and simple, but billions of years ago the bone-dry planet resembled a young Earth. With a lush atmosphere and surface water, for the longest time scientists assumed Mars water escaped into the atmosphere and into space due to the planet's weak gravity. But a team of researchers has now found between 30 and 99% of that water never escaped and could be lurking just beneath the surface. According to Eva Skeller, the study's lead author and a PhD candidate at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, the previously accepted theory simply does not account for how much water Mars has lost. About 4 billion years ago, a young Mars is believed to have once had enough water to cover the whole planet in an ocean 330 to 4,920 feet deep. Compared to Earth, this is about half of the volume of the Atlantic Ocean, although it is worth remembering the red planet is about half the size of Earth. Some of that water would have escaped into the atmosphere, but enough to explain why Mars is too dry today. The study's results were published in the latest issue of Science. The authors also presented their findings on Tuesday at the 52nd Lunar and Planetary Science Conference (LPLC), held online because of the coronavirus pandemic. The Caltech/NASA team studied how water behaves on Mars in various forms: vapor, liquid, and ice over time. The researchers also looked at the chemical composition of the planet's crust, looking at the ratio of deuterium to hydrogen. The heavy hydrogen is a heavier isotope of hydrogen that holds one proton and one neutron at its core. Unlike regular hydrogen with a single proton, the chemical formula of water is H2O, or two hydrogens and single oxygen atom. Within that mix, about 0.02% of the hydrogen atoms are deuterium isotopes. Because regular hydrogen is lighter, escaping the clutches of Mars gravity is much easier. If Mars water escaped into space through the atmosphere, the researchers would expect to find a very specific ratio of hydrogen to deuterium. Instead, their findings suggest the planet's water was lost through atmospheric escape as well as being locked up in the crust. On Earth, water that seeps into the crust forms mineral with water in their structure. The minerals are melted down and the water works its way back into the atmosphere through plate tectonic and volcanism. Mars, however, does not have any plate tectonic, so when the planet dried up, the drying was permanent. Michael Mayer, the lead scientist of NASA Mars Exploration Program, said the hydrated mineral on our own planet are being continually recycled through plate tectonic. Because we have measured from multiple spacecraft, we can see that Mars doesn't recycle, and so water is now locked up in the crust or being lost to space. MS Keller added all of this water was sequestered fairly early on and then never cycled back out. So guys, that will be all. If you have anything to say, kindly leave it in the comment section. So we've seen a lot, we've come and we're finding more things and more things are unraveling. Entire oceans could be locked up in the red planet's crust. There are so many speculation that it could be lost to space, or it could be beneath the crust of Mars. So Mars doesn't have plate tectonic yet. Earth do have plate tectonic, and plate tectonic is believe that once you have plate tectonic, there's belief that everything that once was is going to come back. Like there's a cycle of things going on. The world will continue to revolve around a complete cycle. So the water comes in, goes up, comes in, goes up. That's just how it works on Earth. So guys, if you have anything to say, leave it in the comment section as usual. Thank you for watching. See you next time.